man catch wreck and get put in the wood. Pussy trap rubber, heard that clap niggas for good. Me and Slimy, we get slimy, we slimy for real. We caught him wolf and get the dope and he died in the field. 2, 2, 3 stains, we leave his brains, we won't slide off no pills. It's Jack and Jill, we on your heels, finna slide in the wheels. You in the port where shit be hot, you get shot if you squeal. It's 30 boys about my family, get shot in your drills. The bitty hot, got that from Philly, boy, shout out the Lil. You switching sides, you gotta dab every slide with them stills. He tried to slide, the nigga died, we smoke niggas for real. Know how we go, now Babybro. You see that nigga right there, better snatch his soul. I'ma run down with this shot, better zest catch a face shot. He tried run but couldn't get away, we made that nigga a face hop. Whoa, you better go, whoa, just let it blow. Whoa, let's up the skull, pick him up right off the floor. Whoa, why you keep talking like we won't come to your door? With the chopper here, tried to run, taking some more. Me and bro was only 15, we was known for tracking dope. We got all the tests and luck, I bet that you won't make it home. We got 40s with them ARPs, we know them to let it blow. Niggas try slide down my way, I bet I wipe a nigga nose. Me and Doug just hit the road, we came back, they scream no whoa. We got 50s with those switches, we bout to knock down the door.